How to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. So without further delay, let's get started. Recovering your permanently deleted emails from Gmail can be difficult. However, there are some other situations that you can try out. First option is to check your trash. Gmail keeps deleted emails in the trash for 30 days before permanently deleting them. So if you have recently deleted your email, so you can find them in the trash. For that, navigate to this left panel, click on this more. Here, scroll down a bit and head towards the trash. Now under your trash, look for your deleted email. If you have recently deleted your email, within the 30 days, you will find your deleted email on the trash. If found, select it and click on Move to Inbox or another folder, and the email will be recovered. But if the email is not in this trash or spam and you believe that it was deleted by mistake, you can use the Google recovery form. For that, open up a new tab in your device and then search for Gmail recovery tool. Then you will land on here it says support.google.com. Once you're here, you may be asked to log into your account. Log into your Gmail account. Then you have to fill out the form with as much as detail as possible. So once you fill out your form, submit it and wait for the Google's response. And that may help you recover your deleted account. So these are the only way that will help you recover your Gmail account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.